So you want to stake your Atom, then watch this video to the end as we'll be showing you exactly how to do so. So first of all, you make sure that you've downloaded your Keplr wallet and you've transferred your Atom from exchange to your Keplr wallet. All right, so we made a video before now how we're able to transfer this 10.398 Atom from exchange, which in this case is gate.io, to our Keplr wallet. So if you want to get big in those airdrops, Cosmos airdrops, then make sure you watch this video to the end as we'll be showing you how to stake your Atom. So on the interface, you notice that you have your Atom that you want to stake. So you just head on straight to chains and you notice that you have the Cosmos hub. All right, so if you just have your Atom on the wallet without staking, once the airdrops is being done, you'll not be eligible. And the minimum for Atom that most airdrop requires is for you to have a minimum of 10 atoms staked. Either you are holding Atom or you are staking it. So make sure that to earn more money, you stake your Atom. So we go ahead to hit on Cosmos and you hit on what stake. All right, so when you hit on stake, there will come up a window that says what? Active validators, and you have inactive validators. Okay, so our business is actually with the active validators. Then you decide on which one to stake with. So here is the list of all the active validators, and you have the first guy is Stakefish. So, but there's a rule of thumb here. So don't go with an active validator that charges a commission of 100%, and don't go with an active validator that does not charge a commission at all. All right, because once you go with a validator that does not charge a commission at all or charges a commission of 100%, then eventually most of those airdroppers will not give you any airdrop. Is that right? Under the active validators, make sure you go with a validator that charges between 2% to 6%. All right, so I'm just going to scroll down and see which one I want to go with. Okay, let's just use Stakefish for the sake of it. So delegate. All right, so staking will lock your funds for 21 days. You will need to undelegate in order for your stake asset to be liquid again. This process will take 21 days to complete. All right, so a total of what? The 21 days or 42 days. So whatever that is, I'm staking my maximum Atom. I go ahead to delegate. Is that right? So you click on delegate. Wow, so this is happening live. So other coins that you can stake to get access to Cosmos airdrops is secret, and you also have Juno. So I have network error here. So delegate. All right, so it's going through. So it will call up my Keplr wallet and we'll be good to go. So you have this delegate 10 point memo fee is this. So we hit on what? Approve. It's very easy to stake, so make sure that you stake yours today. All right. So we have Cosmos Hub staking. Total staked is 10.3917 Atom. Once you have rewards, it will come here. You can click reward, you can claim reward and restake back to the system. All right, so once an airdrop comes up now, I'll be eligible for those airdrops. So we'll be talking more about Cosmos airdrop in the upcoming videos. So go ahead to smash the subscribe button so you'll be the first to get updated. Hope you got value in this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, go ahead to do so right away. Also like and share this video to as many crypto enthusiasts that you can think of. Trade responsibly. Peace out.